This blogger carves wood like carving a potato. But for me, wood feels hard as iron. Did I buy fake linden wood? This blogger uses the same wood as I do. Is it the knife or the wood's fault? This is a major hurdle for beginners. Let's talk about it today. First, is the softness you imagine really that soft? It's reference bias. In imagination, experts shave like soap. But in reality, it takes effort to push the knife. Wood shavings don't just float down. You'll think, why is it so hard? We must know linden's softness is relative to other woods, not relative to potatoes, foam, or your hand. Wood, as a naturally grown substance, different origins, environments, temperatures, and precipitation will affect wood's hardness. Secondly, is your knife sharp? And even the hardness of heartwood and sapwood on the same tree can differ. Secondly, is your knife really sharp? This is the most common and core issue for beginners, finding linden wood hard. A dull knife doesn't carve wood, but pries, grinds, and tears wood fibers. This requires great strength. The feel is very sluggish. The wood seems to resist, naturally feels hard. Although linden wood is soft, it still requires a sharp blade. Having at least one sharp main knife is crucial. Once you've truly used a sharp knife, you'll never go back. Next, have you considered the angle against the grain? Carving against the grain is like petting fur the wrong way. The resistance is huge, fibers can easily tear and chip. If you're tired, take a break, it's no big deal.